Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add background music in WiseCut step by step to make your video sound more professional. First, please make sure to open the WiseCut application, and within it, you must also make sure that you are logged in with your WiseCut account. Once you are on the main home screen, you can just scroll down and see the list of the recent projects. Open any video that you want, but please make sure that the project does not have any music, or you can just upload the video. For this video, I'll choose the already uploaded video. Once I click on it, it will redirect me to the clip section. Within it, I'll get two options, Caesar with editor icon and a download button. Click on the editor option. Now within the editor, look at the right corner where you can see different icons. Within it, look for the background music icon. Then click on it to open the music panel. Inside the music panel, you will see different background music options. You can choose from the list of musics or do the music genre, while you can also search through the search bar if you want. Browse the WiseCut built-in music library while previewing the music track and select a track that you like and matches your video style. You can also review the audio if you want. After that, please toggle the music option and it will automatically toggle and apply the music as the background music within the video. So now you can just preview the video to hear how the background music sounds, and that's how you can add background music in the WiseCut. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video with more WiseCut tutorials.